In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your products and services to QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process, but let's dive into each step to ensure you get it right and make the most out of your QuickBooks experience. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but today, our focus is on setting up your product and service offerings. So, go ahead and click on Sales. This will bring up a few different tabs, and the one we're interested in is the Products and Services tab. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and organize everything you sell, be it products or services, in an efficient way. Once you've clicked on Products and Services, you'll find yourself on a page listing any items you might have already added. But since we're here to add a new one, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a button labeled New. Click on that to open up a menu that allows you to add a new item to your inventory. Here, QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to choose the type of item you're going to add. This is a crucial step because it determines how QuickBooks will handle this item in terms of accounting and inventory. You can choose from different categories such as inventory, non-inventory, service, or bundle. Think carefully about what you want this new item to be categorized under, as it affects how you track it in your accounts. Once you've selected the type of product or service you wish to add, a new window will pop up, prompting you to fill out the necessary information. This is where you get to input all the vital details about the item. Start by entering the name of the product or service. Make it specific and easy to understand so you can quickly identify it later on. Next, there's a spot for SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. This is particularly helpful if you have a vast inventory or need to track a lot of products. Following this, you can input the category. Categories can help you organize your offerings more efficiently and assist in generating comprehensive reports later. There are also additional fields for other details, such as descriptions or pricing information, which can be customized to suit your needs. After you've carefully filled out all the fields with the relevant information, all you need to do is click Save and Close. QuickBooks will then update your list with the new product or service you've added. And there you go. That's all it takes to add your products and services to QuickBooks Online. By having your inventory accurately set up, you pave the way for smoother business operations, ultimately saving yourself time and potential headaches in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your QuickBooks management.